From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is not just a buzzword, but a revolution.
Harvard Business Review magazine published an interview AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI on August 04, 2023. The interview was hosted by the magazine's editor-in-chief, Adi Ignatius, where the guest was Harvard Business School professor Karim Lakhani, who has been studying AI and machine learning in the workplace for years. Mr. Lakhani in his interview said that AI responses that appear human are just an illusion created by statistical programming. They have been trained using human interactions and data to mimic human behavior.
The human-like responses are a statistical illusion. They absolutely are. They've just been well-trained by humans to respond like humans. And they've used all of our texts and all of our videos to be human-like in many ways. So, but it's in the end, it's a statistical or computational illusion.
BBC published a report, Can AI Cut Humans Out of Contract Negotiations? By Sean McManus on 6th of November 2023. This report actually revolves around the evolving nature of legal practice with the integration of AI technologies, and the discussion on how AI can enhance efficiency while still requiring human expertise in certain aspects of legal work. Sean, in his report, quoted Law Society of England and Wales President Nick Emerson's statement, "At present, and probably into the distant future, AI will be unable to fully replace the function of legal expertise provided by legally qualified professionals. This is because clients have different needs and vulnerabilities, which a machine cannot yet master, and human judgment is needed to ensure that automated decisions do not result in potential false positives. There is also an art in negotiation and ultimately bargaining that AI is unlikely to master."
CNBC Make It on December 9, 2023 published an article mentioning few of many reasons of why AI can't entirely replace humans. The writer, Cheyenne Devon, first highlights the fact that the complexity of human intelligence extends beyond mere pattern recognition, which is a fundamental aspect of AI powered by mathematical models. While AI relies heavily on correlational learning, identifying patterns in data without necessarily understanding causation, humans often grasp relationships between variables based on causation and deeper understanding rather than mere correlations. He further stated that AI won't replace humans, but people who can use it effectively will have a significant advantage in various roles and tasks.